Okay, here we've got a Daxara 198 window cleaning trailer. It's come with a 425 litre pure water tank in there, and we're providing that pure water through this 4-stage automated filtration system. It's set up for one operator, so it comes with a single pump and a single pump controller, and then we've also provided a 12-volt electric hose reel that comes with 100 meters of hose, and that's feeding into this 25-foot Evolution Pro water-fed pole. So the end users can fill the system from here. As part of the filling process, we do provide wastewater, and I would estimate this tank taking anywhere from sort of 4 to 6 hours to fill up. The trailer's been provided with rear prop stands just to help counterbalance it when the weight's uneven, and it's provided with this drop-down canopy lid just to help protect everything inside from the elements. There's 2 rear hatches that can open up, so you can actually operate with the hatch or with the lid lowered. Let's just bring that down. So yeah, if I was to shut that properly, that would show you what it's like while we're operating from it. So if you're interested in a similar window cleaning trailer system, give the team here a call at Xline Systems. These are ideal units. The advantage is it's not taking up a van system permanently, so it's a lower cost to investment, and it will keep a single window cleaner working for a full shift. Thanks for watching.